We welcome you to this new course on Teamcenter Data Model Administration. This course helps us to configure the Teamcenter data model and set up the Teamcenter environment for customer-specific needs and requirements.
We use Business Modeler IDE application, or generally called as Teamcenter BMIDE, to extend the data model. With Teamcenter installation comes the COTS, that is customer off-the-shelf data model, and then customer-specific requirements are mapped. An existing COTS data model is extended by system administrators. The objectives of this session is to extend the data model by configuring Teamcenter data model using BMIDE, working with data model files and template projects, creating business objects and classes, adding properties and attributes, creating list of values LOVS, configuring options, creating rules for business objects, build new queries in Query Builder, use Workflow Designer to create workflow templates, and explore PLM/XML import-export to import and export Teamcenter objects. To accomplish the objective of extending data model, administrative tasks involves working in BMIDE and Teamcenter Rich Client.
Data Model Administration.
It is the administrator's task to extend data model in BMIDE. Administrators work with data model files and projects, perform data model changes, configure BMIDE to execute the BMIDE process, create and manage business objects and classes, add and modify properties and attributes, create and attach list of values LOVS, and creating options and rules.
Application Administration. There are some applications in Teamcenter Rich Client, which are administrative applications managed by administrators to define the system, as per customer requirements.
Administrative applications are used to create organization, configure access permission in Access Manager, configure Teamcenter environment by managing preferences, creating queries and reports, creating and managing workflow process templates, and work with PLM/XML import and export. Before even we take a deep dive into BMIDE, let us see what benefits we get out of this training program.
This will help you keep aligned throughout the course.
We can create and manage the data model using BMIDE, planning for the administration of data and processes, configure the data model as per customer specifications, import new data model configuration, define customer organization for managing data security, define data security access privileges,
configure preference for better usability and increased productivity, define queries and reports for end users, and define processes to manage product and process data. What are the prerequisites for this course? The only prerequisite for this course is to complete Teamcenter Basics course. And this Teamcenter Data Model Administration course is applicable to Teamcenter application administrators, system administrators, and database administrators. Interested to know details about Teamcenter PLM trainings? Please visit the website on your screen. Explore, learn, and become Teamcenter experts. Best of luck with your Teamcenter trainings.